device. What's your name, sir?
Jeremiah London.
London, good morning to you. All right, we're waiting on the court reporter. She's having a little bit of difficulty. But I think we can, Ms. Thomas, if you want to open up. Here we go.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and/or laying down. I would ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless for religious purposes. Thank you. Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Let's get going. As soon as Ms. Williams Law checks in, he's set, we will get going. Good morning, Odoms, Jade Odom, good morning to you.
Your Honor, good morning.
Ms. Williams Law, good morning to you. Let us know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Nisha Sharon Lee, case number Z8088981. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Ms. Lee, who's present via Zoom.
All right, Ms. Lee, can you state your name for the record, please?
Naisha Sharon Lee.
All right, good morning to you. Today's date time set for pretrial. Why I don't have any conditions. It doesn't appear. Are you testing, Ms. Lee?
Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
Are you testing?
Testing as far as I'm sorry.
Alcohol test is one of the conditions of your bond. If I didn't already state it, which it doesn't appear to, I want you to test one time per week. Make sure there's no drinking during the dependency of this case.
Okay.
So I don't know why this one slipped under the cracks. As it relates to bond on Ms. Robinson, would you like to articulate something on client's behalf?
Judge, as it relates to bond, I would ask the court to maintain the bond. The court has set a condition of testing once a week. I would ask the court to allow her to start testing this week and provide proof when she returns at the next court date.
All right, I'm gonna give your client a $500 personal bond. No drinking during the pendency of this case. Testing one time per week, and I'm going to set a trial date for September 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. I'm going to get you a number to probation, Ms. Lee. We're going to set up a referral so probation should call you. I do have 2 phone numbers, or at least 1 phone number here for you, ending in 5427. Is that still a correct number for you?
Correct, sir.
All right, but I want you to take the number down to probation. That's 313-965-3414. And someone should reach out to you, but if they don't, I do not want you to just sit back and do nothing and wait on the next court date.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna sign an order for you to test once per week. Today is Tuesday. It should be enough time for you to get that test in this week and then the subsequent weeks afterwards. Hopefully those tests are gonna be negative.
Absolutely.
So if nobody calls you, at least by Friday, either give the court a call or your attorney, Ms. Robinson, a call or something, set that up, or call probation yourself. But usually we shouldn't have a problem.
Okay.
All right.
Bro, lo
If there's-
estoy usando.
Hold on a second, Mr. Gonzalez.
No.
Okay. All right, so if there's no more questions, next court date is gonna be September 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m. That's the trial date. Something further, Ms. Lee, Ms. Robinson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right, Ms. Lawson, your trial is set at 9 a.m. We're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period, for if the officer doesn't show by 9:30, we'll call the case and get you out of here. In the event that the officer does show, we will give your attorney an opportunity to pre-try the case and see if they can work out something outside of trial, all right?
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Gonzalez, we're waiting on an interpreter for you.
Hello? Excuse me, sir.
We're waiting
I
on an
can't hear you.
interpreter, sir. Waiting on an interpreter, all right?
Yeah.
City of Detroit
Yes.
versus Valerie Denise Grant, case number 17-305572, counts 1, 2, and 2. 17-362422-1, 17-3633 9-3, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Here.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Grant.
Okay, Ms. Grant, state your name for the record, please.
Valerie Denise Grant.
Today is the date and time. Set for, you're set for trial today 2 on these matters. So we will pass this matter, and you'll be in the same holding pattern as Ms. Lawson is, all right?
Okay.
All right, so let's pass that matter.
Thank you, Your
Wait to
Honor.
see if an officer shows.
Yes.
Right. That gets me to Marquita Grady.
Yes.
Morning to you, ma'am.
Ms. Mathis, did you receive my email?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Detroit versus Marquita. Marquita Marie Grady, case number SP 407681, SP 1421683, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller, PH 6291, here for Ms. Grady.
Ms. Grady, state your name for the record, please.
Marquita Marie Grady.
All right, today is the date and time that pretrials in the matter. I see that Ms. Grady owes $288 on a no proof of insurance civil infraction. Also, $228 on an expired plate. The no civil infraction is going to impede her from getting a driver's license. I'll give her an opportunity to pay that $288 and bring a valid driver's license in, and she can potentially get a better offer. She will get a better offer. Other than that, she has an absolute right to a trial, and we can set a we can give her an offer today if she chooses. What would you like to do, Ms. Grady, or speak to Mr. Miller in the breakout room and talk to him about it?
Okay, yeah.
Have you ever had a license before, ma'am?
No.
All right, so she will she wants to pay the $288 and see if that frees her license up. I'll give her an opportunity to do so.
Okay.
Good morning, Ms. Cox.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Cox.
Good morning.
All right, Ms. Cox, can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter.
Ms. Cox, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes,
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
Do you swear or affirm that you will, to the best of your ability, interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. We have Mr. Christian Gonzalez, who needs your services.
Señor Cristian González, yo estoy de intérprete hoy.
Oh, muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Very well.
Estoy intentando aprenderme inglés, pero aún no logro entender muchas cosas.
I am trying to learn English, but I don't understand all of it yet.
And I am trying to learn Spanish, and I definitely don't understand all of it, but I'm working at it every day. City of Detroit versus Christian Gonzalez, case number SP 4222348, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance from the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Kristen Gonzalez.
Llamaron a su caso, señor González, del número SP 1422-3481 y le preguntaron a los abogados que se presentara. El abogado Soroki dijo que lo estaba representando a usted.
Pero no, yo no sabía nada del abogado
I didn't know anything about the attorney.
Very well. State your name for the record, sir.
Muy bien, diga su nombre completo para las actas.
Cristian González.
Well, about the attorney, we have attorneys here for people who don't have an attorney of their, who don't bring an attorney of their own. We always have an attorney provided for you if you want the services. Now, you can always bring your own attorney if you choose.
Aquí siempre tenemos abogados defensores públicos para las personas que no han contratado o no pueden pagar por su propio abogado. Entonces, esa señora que dijo que lo representa es un abogado público, no le cuesta nada.
Ah, bueno.
Good.
Muchas
Very
gracias.
well.
Thank you very much.
Are you, do you have a valid license, sir?
¿Usted tiene una licencia de conducir válida?
Sí, tengo una de mi país.
Yes, I have one from my country.
That is, well, I don't know if that's going to be valid. It's not an international license. I
No
don't know.
sé si eso va, no sé si eso
Go ahead.
será válido, no es una licencia internacional.
Pero es que intento tramitar mi licencia de aquí, pero como soy un protegido de migración, ellos tienen mi pasaporte y no puedo tramitar mi licencia hasta que ellos no me entreguen mi pasaporte. Y tengo una cita con las personas de migración el 7 de julio, el próximo mes.
Yes, but when I try to obtain a driver's license, I am not able to do that because I am protected by the immigration, but they've taken my passport, so I can ask for a license. I do have an appointment with immigration next month on July 7th.
Your Honor,
Su Honoría,
Yes.
so I'm reading, and it says drivers from treaty countries are allowed to legally drive in Michigan on a foreign license if it's printed in English or has an English translation. So does his
dice
go ahead.
dice la abogada que los países que tienen acuerdo con los Estados Unidos pueden manejar con las licencias de esos países si están traducidas o si tienen una traducción al inglés.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with your client, Ms. Soroki, and you can have a discussion.
Okay, thank you.
Nos van a poner a usted, señor, como en un cuarto privado con la abogada Soroki para que ustedes puedan discutir su caso.
Bueno.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay, si le sale un letrero que diga join, por favor oprime donde dice join para que se vaya a ese cuarto privado. Okay.
All right, that leaves us without a lawyer. I'm gonna bring some of these people in. The one I have a question about is the Ron Asman, this Williams Law.
Okay, Your Honor.
Let's see what happens.
Hello?
On the
Hello, can you hear me?
iPhone, morning, sir, what's your name, please?
Kamar Grant?
Mark Grant.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Asmir, counselor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ron Asmar, on behalf of Royce Garmo.
On behalf of who?
Royce Garmo.
Very well. Let's see if we can get you out of here. Voice. Gurmo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, sir.
Morning.
Morning.
Hey, Corporal.
No,
I
saw.
have, I don't know if you want me to zoom in. I have 2 in-person court rooms down here. And I have 1 in your room today. So did you want me to just zoom in or?
Doesn't matter, however you feel is best.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
So I'll just mark his check there.
Okay, and I'll check back, because like I said, I'm next door and I'm down in Judge Archer's room.
Very well.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Let's see, Asmir, your client has got a trial date set. You're not on, Burma, are you?
I am on Lawson, Ivory Lawson.
Ivory Lawson is here.
She is here, okay.
Yes.
Who's our prosecutor today?
Snyder.
Okay. All
Ms.
right.
Lawson, do you have valid registration and insurance? On Garmo, we're waiting on Charles Turner. We'll give him a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock. If he doesn't arrive by 9:30, we will call the case and get you out of here. If he arrives before then, we'll set you up with a breakout room with Madam Prosecutor, and we will allow you to pre-try the case and see what kind of deal you can work out before ahead of trial, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Yep.
Thank you. Stand by. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Grady. Ms. Grady, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, she would like to set this for a final pretrial date and give her the opportunity to get her license and come here and get a better offer. She's been trying for a while and she thinks she's close, and so we think it's practical she could get it.
Well, I think that if she pays this $288, it would definitely give her clearances down here. You come down, or you pay it online or on DivDag kiosk, or however you want to pay that. You wait 48 to 72 hours from the time we receive that payment, and then that clearance will hopefully have gotten to the Secretary of State. Then I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but that will definitely give you clearances here. I'm going to give you until August 11th to take care of these matters, ma'am, and we'll set a pretrial then on that date. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave.
Good morning.
Okay, Ms. Brady? I think she's left. All right, very well. Let's Ms. Grady, do you have any other questions? I don't know if she heard any of that, what I said.
You might be having trouble with the Zoom, Your Honor. That's all.
Right. Let's move on to Graves.
Yeah,
Did I call Graves yet?
yeah, Lambert Graves. Yeah,
Lambert Graves.
I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Lambert Graves, case number SP 4292592. Appearance for the record, please.
I'm here, Judge. I'm here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller, PA 6291, here on behalf of Mr. Graves.
Mr. Graves, state your name for the record, please.
Lambert George Graves.
All right, what I'm gonna do with this ticket, I'm gonna dismiss the ticket.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Graves paid related civil infraction. All right?
All right, thank you, sir.
Thank
You're
you.
very much welcome. If there's nothing further, Mr. Graves, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
All right, you too, sir. You have a good day, yeah? All right,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who said good morning?
Pauline Gilmore.
Very well, Ms. Gilmore. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, Mr. Kevin Green, do you have a middle name, sir?
Alfonso Courtney. Well, Alfonso hyphen Courtney.
Okay, very well. It's the City of Detroit versus Kevin Alfonso
Courtney.
Case, Green, case numbers SP 1428665, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller, PA 6291, here on behalf of Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Kevin Alfonso Courtney Green.
Very well. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Plead to the alcohol related violation straight up. Do you need some alcohol treatment, sir?
No, sir.
No, nobody needs that today. Wrong file.
You said wrong file. Okay.
Kevin Green.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to look at the actual ticket to see if we have it, see what the allegations suggest. You know, I asked you that for a reason, sir, and I think you know why.
Oh, I know why, but I don't need no help for alcohol, no drinking alcohol.
You may not, with that question, is the answer to that, you don't want any help for alcohol, or you don't think you need any help, or you don't need any help?
No, I don't need no help, sir.
No ticket?
Okay.
All right, Arthur's gonna be pleading straight up to the charge. We're gonna put you on a 3-month delay if you want to take the deal. And I want to get some testing done. No drinking during the pendency of this case. It's also we'll dismiss the other allegation. pedestrian walking the roadway. We'll dismiss that. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Attorney Miller. You can speak with him about and you can explain the offer. That fine is gonna be a $240 fine as well.
Okay, can I get that on a payment plan? Because I'm
Talk to
currently
the
not
lawyer
working, I'm trying to get.
first. Talk to the lawyer first.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Giss. Mr. Giss, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
You got a valid registration, sir?
Yes, I have registration and insurance now.
Very well. City of Detroit versus Devon. Is that Devon Allen Gist?
Yes.
Case number SP 135-90582. State your name for the record, sir, please. Mr. Gish, you're gonna have to turn your camera on, sir. I need to see that registration. Excuse me, that registration. Mr. Giss? Mr. Giss?
Yes.
Right. Where are you, sir? Let's see the registration. Where's Mr. Giss? All right, I'm gonna pass the matter. It sounds like this device is slow. Can somebody put their appearance for Mr. Gist on the record, please?
Okay, I'm making notation. Are you going to Zoom in? Checking with the project.
I think we lost. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes.
Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor,
Your Honor, we did, Your Honor. This is the interpreter, and we did, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
He spoke to Ms. Soroki, and Ms. Soroki asked us to come back to in front of you. So that's all I know, Your Honor.
Ms. Soroki doesn't come back herself.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Soroki.
They got a breakout room.
Oh, no, strike that. Hold on 1 second. Mr. Asmar, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Good morning to you, Ms. Schneider. Mr. Asmar is here on his client, and which would be Garmo. And I do have Charles Turner is on the phone.
Right.
Why don't you two discuss the case? He's the officer that wrote the ticket. So speak to the lawyer. You guys speak about Garmo.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Snyder. All right, let's go back on the record momentarily with Gist. Mr. Gist, I see you're back. Can you show us registration, please, sir?
I'm sorry, I lost connection. So that's what I was saying. I said I don't have the registration on me. I'm in Georgia at the moment, So I was saying I was wondering if I can reschedule so I can,
You're what?
I'm currently not in Michigan. I don't have my registration on me.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for paying a related civil infraction.
Okay.
Pay the no proof of insurance. I'll dismiss for that.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, something further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm all set now.
Yeah, you're all set. Have a good day, sir.
You have a good one too.
All right, let's go back on the record. I just put the R here.
You did, okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Let's let Ms. Cox interpret first.
Señor González, han llamado a su caso. El juez dijo que le dio una oportunidad de hablar con una abogada en privado. Le preguntó a la abogada Saroki que cómo quieren proceder.
Your Honor, I did explain this to my client, and at this time, he's asking for a pretrial date as he thinks he can obtain the necessary paperwork.
Su honoría, yo le expliqué los derechos a mi cliente y ahora él está pidiendo que le den otra fecha para una otra audiencia preliminar porque él cree que puede obtener los documentos necesarios si le dan tiempo.
All right, how long out does your client need?
¿Cuánto tiempo necesita su cliente?
I'm going to ask for maybe 45 days.
Voy a pedir que le den 45 días.
He believes he can obtain the registration and insurance promptly because he has an immigration hearing next week. But regarding the translation on the license he needs, he doesn't know how long that would take.
All right,
Él dice que él cree que puede tener el registro y las placas hechas más bien rápidamente, pero no sabe cuánto se demora en que le traduzcan la licencia.
All right, I'll give them until August 16.
La fecha va a ser el 16 de agosto.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I got you.
We'll have you back then, sir. And if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Your Honor, he did provide a new address. I'm sorry.
Yeah, the no address.
Sí, una nueva, Your Honor, he did give me his new address if you would like me to give it to the court at this time.
Very well.
15403 Normandy Street in Detroit, 48238.
Very well. 15403 Normandy, Detroit 48238.
Yes, correct.
All right. If it's nothing further, come on back August 16th. And
Your Honor.
Say that again.
Same Zoom, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Entonces, si no hay más nada, lo único que tienes que regresar el 16 de agosto por medio de Zoom otra vez. And at what time, Your Honor?
8:30.
Que regrese a las 8:30 de la mañana ese día.
Okay.
We'll have an interpreter on that day.
Solo tengo que tener mis documentos en orden y todo va a estar bien. Es que yo no quiero ir a la cárcel.
So if I have all my documents in order, I will not have to go to jail.
You won't have to go to jail, sir.
No, no va a tener que ir a la cárcel.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Appreciate.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. And Your Honor, this is the interpreter. Am I needed in any other case?
Hey, señora María, muchas gracias por sus servicios. Muy amable.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hey, señora Turner, thank you so much, Saroki. Appreciate
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Okay.
Your Honor, this is the interpreter. Am I free to go?
You're free to leave, Mrs. Cox. Thank you very much. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus, let's go back on the record with Mr. Kevin Green. Mr. Green, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd like to avail ourselves of the plea offer at this time.
Right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Say that again.
Is that what you want to do? You want to take the deal?
I want to see what you talking about as far as how I go about testing, because I don't have a vehicle.
You got to figure that out, sir.
Yeah, well, how would it go down? Would it be once a week, twice?
Once a week. We'll start out with, you can demonstrate to the court that you don't have a problem with this alcohol, then we can scale it back.
Man, I'd rather just pay the fine, man.
It's not about paying the fine, man, and I'm not your man.
No, I'm sorry, sir, but I'd be having doctor's appointments to go to and stuff like that, so I don't know how that would affect me going to the doc back and forth to the doctor.
Like I say, we're all grown, sir. I mean, there's obligations. If you can set this matter for a trial, that's the offer. You can set this matter for a trial. If you can do better at trial, then you can beat the case, then you won't have to do anything. But if you want to take this deal,
I just want to get it behind me.
this is how you're gonna get it behind you.
Okay.
You got too many allegations of alcohol-related violations. So
Okay,
you want to
sure.
take the deal? What do you want to do?
I'll take the
Very
deal.
well. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Okay.
Do you understand that, sir? That's a yes or no question.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Miller went over some of your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights once you take this deal.
I'll take the deal. I'm fine with
You know you'll be giving up these rights once you take the deal.
Yes, sir.
Right. Hold on. Everybody's got to mute their phones, please. Good morning to the officers I just let in the room. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, speak with the city attorney. Please. All right, Mr. Green, I'm gonna take you back to February 9th, 2023 at around 6:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Cary and East 7 Mile Road, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir. I had a good, it was a good.
All right.
Yeah.
Pardon me?
Yes, sir. I did.
All right, and were you out, were you drinking some alcohol out there in public?
No, sir. I didn't
Very
take
well,
a sip. I didn't take a
So
sip of it. I had
what
a
was
open
going
can,
on
but I
out
wasn't
there,
drinking. I was on my way going to the grocery store.
And you didn't have any alcohol, drinking it in public?
No, I wasn't drinking it. I just had an open can of alcohol, but I just cracked the can. I didn't take a sip out of the can at all.
Okay, so now he's splitting hairs with us. So
No.
the open can of alcohol wasn't about to be ingested in public, huh?
No, I wasn't. It was a small can.
Let's set a trial date. Let's set a trial date.
I was just gonna take a sip and really get rid of it because it was hot anyway. I just had to get off doing a job and I was kind of tired. So that's basically how that happened.
Come back on September 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m., sir.
Well, I was taking a deal.
Because you don't want to make a factual basis?
Yeah, I make it a factual basis. I was gonna drink the beer, but I didn't drink the beer. That's what I'm saying. It was.
All right, you didn't drink the beer. I don't know what the allegation suggests. I don't have the ticket in front of me. So.
Well, like I said, I take the deal and I'll go to the.
No, sir, no, that ship has sailed.
Okay.
It has sailed now. All right, and it's not coming back. All right, so you're gonna come back on September 15th, 2023, and we'll get some resolution on that day.
You said September the 20 what?
September the 15th, 2023 at 9 a.m., please.
Okay.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You have a blessed day.
You too. All right, let's move on to Kia Griffin. Did I call that case already?
No, yeah.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Nikita Danielle Griffith, case number SB 1430357, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Griffith.
Ms. Griffith, can you state your name for the record, please?
Nikita Danielle Griffith.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Do you have valid registration and insurance, ma'am? I didn't hear it. Do you have valid registration and insurance, Ms. Griffith?
Yes, I do.
Can you show the court that, please?
Yes. I can show you my registration, but my insurance is electronic.
You want to send it to me?
Yeah, I just need to know how to send it, but I can show you my registration.
Show me the registration. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat for your insurance, all right?
Okay. This is my registration.
Okay, very well. I'm gonna put the insurance in the, my email address in the chat for the insurance. If you provide that valid insurance, we'll dismiss the case, all right?
Okay. Do you need?
Pardon me?
Do you need that now?
Yes.
You can.
I don't know how to get to the chat.
All right, I'll give you the instructions in a moment momentarily. It should be a chat button down on the bottom of your screen. And you click that, you'll see the conversations that have been going on. My email should be I sent that to Michael Worry. Something's been going on with this chat feature.
I don't even see anything at the bottom of my screen.
Yeah, you're not gonna see that yet.
Okay.
You should see it now, man. We'll pass the matter until you get us that proof of insurance. London, Jeremiah. Morning. Yeah, very well. Is Jeremiah London?
Yes.
Ms. Snyder, some more officers were in the room there. All right, Mr. London, I'm gonna need to turn your camera on, please. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jeremiah London, case number SP 144-23111, U56918020. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller, PA 6291 here on behalf of Mr. London. Mr. London, please take me to the record.
All right, today is the time set for arraignment on the bench warrant.
A bench warrant. I have a ticket, a no insurance ticket.
Hold on, please. Let your counsel do the work. We'll explain to you what it is. Mr. Miller, go ahead.
Your Honor, my client would like to stand mute and continue a plea of not guilty on the arraignment.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Well, he just thinks he has a no insurance ticket.
Yeah.
But it indicates that he has another U ticket. You want me to read those charges out loud, or what do you want me to do?
I can talk with him in a breakout room.
You see what the allegation is, Mr. Miller?
Yeah, I do.
Very well. Join the room, Mr. London, and speak with the lawyer. The offer is going to be pleading to the disorderly conduct amended count, $240 fine, a misdemeanor morality class, and a HIV STD testing. And that will be personal to you. All I need to do is see that you tested. Upon that, we'll close the matter out, dismiss the misdemeanor, no insurance with the deal. He has an absolute right to a trial. He wants to take the deal. Make sure you go over his advice or rights with him, Mr. Miller.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. London.
Okay.
Odoms. Is Jade Odoms here? All right, what about Ivory Lawson offer of FTD dismiss no insurance? Ms. Soroki, speak to Mrs. Lawson. Let's call that case.
Did the officer appear?
Yes, I believe the officer did appear. That's corporate. He was online. Now he is in the room. What about Miss Griffith? Did she ever give me the insurance? I don't see that. Maybe it's in my email. All right, I don't see that yet. All right, let's pass that. Let's call the city of Detroit. Let's call the Lawson case. And I'll give you an opportunity to speak.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a valid license, ma'am?
No, I don't. I can't retrieve my license until October the 2nd.
That's my birthday.
Yeah.
City of Detroit versus Ivory Bianca Lawson, case number SP 1346041, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Lawson.
Ms. Lawson, state your name for the record, please.
Ivory Lawson, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is corporate here? Let's bring him out of the room. He is here, was here on time. There's no more officers going to be allowed in at this point. Okay. Corporal, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Stanley Colpick, bed 775, City Detroit Police Officer.
We can't hear you, sir. Corporate. Oh, here he comes.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm having problems with my phone.
All right. Can you put your appearance on the record, Corporate? You can stand up there, please.
Corporal Stanley Colpick, bed 775, City Detroit Police Officer.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. I'll tell you this, Ms. Lawson. It's the court's understanding that if you plead to this case on a failure to display, which that's what the city is offering you, then you won't be able to get a license, probably won't be able to get a license on October the 2nd.
Yeah.
But nevertheless, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Madam Soroki, and you can speak with her about it and see if she can offer you some assistance or what she can do. At least explain to you what's going on, and it'll be a $240 fine. I'll dismiss the other matters that will abstract to the Secretary of State. Won't carry any points, but it's the court's understanding that abstract will likely suspend your license further, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor, I'd like to speak with the city attorney also, Your Honor.
All right, you want it in the same room or separate rooms?
Is she available now? We can jump in a separate room. I mean, if she's not, then that'd be great.
Join the rooms, please. Okay. What did Officer Turner say? Did he here?
He just called and checked in. He just wanted to let us know that he had other courtrooms that he had to report to. Tell him to contact Alexis Meyer.
That's not. Mr. Asner, the officer did call the court before the 9:30 cutoff. Indicated that he's in other courtrooms, and he contacted the city attorney. So let's see if she put an offer in the chat.
Okay, Your Honor. I thought we were going to recall the case at 9:30.
Yeah, usually I let the officers check in and go about and check in the other courtrooms. And he did call in. And I don't think he's spoken to, he indicated to Madam Clerk that he was going to talk to Ms. Schneider. Let's see what she says. Do you have his number?
Your Honor, I do have another matter at 10:30 in another courtroom.
Let's pass Ivory. Odoms, did Odoms ever get connected?
Hey, Officer Turner. Okay, Judge Perkins, he just wants your presence in court, correct, Your Honor?
Yes.
So if you can zoom in, you're ready for it. Well, I can say wherever we need you, so just come. Your next, will be next, okay?
Pauline Gilmore. Pauline Gilmore here.
Can't you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I need to
Okay,
see.
so, I'm trying to fix this thing. Could you see me now?
I can see you now, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I just want to say this to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I passed that test. I passed the permit test, and I gotta go get my birth certificate tomorrow on the 29th. And then Friday, I'm going to go get my permit.
So you don't have.
So much, Judge. Thank you so much.
You don't. You're welcome, ma'am. You don't have a permit now.
I don't have my permit, but I'm going to get it Friday when I go get my birth certificate, because my birth certificate was sticky. It had to serve my cold medicine gout, fell on it when it was inside my glove compartment. So all my paperwork was in there and it got stuck. So I had to get a brand new birth certificate the 29th. And then Friday I'm going to get my permit. And I do got my registration. And I got to get enough. I got to get it up. I'm sorry to cut you off, but I do have to get some more money before I get some insurance. I don't have no insurance right now.
All right. So how long is it going to take you to get all this stuff, Miss Gilmore?
I'm trying my best. I just.
I want to hear. I want you to do like my father told me when I owed him some money. Put a date on it.
Yes. Okay. Could you at least give me to July the 14th where I get paid so I can get my insurance?
That's reasonable.
Thank you so much. I couldn't did this without you, Judge. I couldn't. You and God.
You could have done it without me. You just needed a little bit of encouragement. I guess that 93 days in jail puts a little bit of nudge on everybody.
Yeah, I took the test. I took the test 4 times, and I failed it. But that I wouldn't give up. I passed it.
You just weren't studying, Miss Gilmore. This is the city.
I have problems reading, Judge. Sometimes I do.
All right. Well, you got it. All right.
Thank you so much.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Pauline Gilmer, case number SP 1433676, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Miss Gilmer.
Speaking.
Ms. Gilmer, state your name for the record, please.
Pauline Gilmore.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to give Ms. Gilmore a little more time to get this matter taken care of. Can I get that?
What do you need?
Ms. Gilmore's file. I'm going to give you till July the 17th to come in with a valid license, registration, and insurance. All right, Ms. Gilmore?
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, congratulations. Congratulations on passing your test, ma'am.
Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back on July 17th, all right?
Okay, you want me to come in or you want me to do Zoom?
It's like Burger King, ma'am. You have it your way, all right? Come in or whatever you want to do.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right. All right.
Your Honor, may I be placed in the breakout room with Ms. Lawson, please?
Certainly. All right, Ms. Snyder.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm having an issue with Mr. Turner. He did call before 9:30 and indicated that he had other courtrooms. He indicated that he was going to reach out to you and talk to you. I have a lawyer waiting here. Oh, here he is now. Has there been an offer afforded to Mr. Garmo?
Yes, Garmo. Yes, Your Honor. If I could have a breakout room again with Attorney Asmar.
Okay. All right. Let's see. What about well, they're working on Lawson. What about Miss Grant, Valerie Grant? Her time was scheduled for a trial.
Valerie Grant here.
Good morning. All right, Miss Grant. defendants, she might have won today. City of Detroit versus Valerie Denise Grant. Case numbers 17-30557.
Into the record, John.
Oh, strike that. 17-30557 counts 1 and count 2. Strike that. 17-3624221. 17-363-393 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller, P86291, here on behalf of Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, please state your name for the record.
Valerie Grant. Valerie Denise Grant.
Today is the date and time set for a trial in the matter. Do we have an Officer Jenkins? Officer Jenkins, Officer D-I-G-I-A-C-O-M-O, Officer Al Amir. Hearing no response, go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, given the failure of the officers to appear here today, would like to make the motion to dismiss these charges against my client. Yeah.
I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fees, ma'am. And you do owe the court from civil infractions that were related to some of these matters, $210, $210, $210. I count that as a total of $630. Plus the reinstatement fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. So that plus $630 is what you're going to owe the court. If you have the cases today I called are going to be dismissed. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Grant, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, are we ready on Garmo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Ron Asmar on behalf of Mr. Garmo.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Royce Anthony Garmo, case number SP 140265991. Appearance for the record, please.
Ron Asmar on behalf of Mr. Garmo.
Mr. Garmo, can you state your name for the record, please?
Royce Anthony Garmo, Your Honor.
And Ms. Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322. For the record, the issuing officer is present.
All right, and Mr. Turner, Officer Turner, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Officer Charles Turner of the Detroit Police Department, badge number 3730, Traffic Enforcement Unit.
Very well. All right, do we have a resolution to this?
We have the beginnings of a resolution, Your Honor. At this time, we're asking for the matter to be adjourned for Mr. Garmo to take the driver's improvement class. And Attorney Asmar and Officer Turner and I are going to continue working in the background. This matter may be reissued as a speeding.
Very well. Is that what you understand, Mr. Asmar?
That's correct, Your Honor.
How much time does your client need? I'll give another pretrial date. The standard date is August the 11th, 2023.
August 11th is fine with me, or earlier. I'm okay, either one.
August 11th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. If there's nothing further, everybody have a very good day. Best of luck to you, and Officer Turner, be safe out there.
Thank you very much, sir. Great to see you as always. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney Asmar.
Asmar, Mr. Asmar, can you put your bar number on the record, please?
Yes, P67721.
Thank you.
Very well. Have a great day.
Have a good day.
What about, Lawson? I haven't had your attorney come back yet. It gets me down to Grant, Kamar Grant. You there? Mr. Grant, is Mr. Grant there? He's on there. You have to unmute yourself, sir. I still haven't received that insurance, Ms. Griffin.
I don't know where to send it to.
I put it in the chat. You still didn't see the chat?
No, I don't see anything with the chat.
Do you see the chat?
No, I don't.
All right, you have to go to the bottom of your device, and you may have a more button or something on there. You should see chat, and you should see a red circle with the number inside of it that tells you how many conversations.
I don't see it at all. I don't have a more button on here.
All right, well, you're gonna have to find somebody to help you with your device then. All right, let's go, what's Mr. Soroki doing? So, Ms. Snyder, this review, this offer, do you want to hold this offer and see if she brings a license in? Or do you want to take it now?
I guess I hadn't thought about that, Your Honor. But if she can get insurance and if we can leave it open until October, that would be possible too.
It's a long time, Miss. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Ivory Lawson. Ms. Lawson, I'm giving you an opportunity.
Yes,
hold on
Your
a second
Honor.
now. All right, hold on. Ms. Lawson, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Well, you know, I just got the message from the offer, so work on convincing the city attorney to have some leniency on Ms. Lawson. However, does she want to take the plea now, pay the $240, we close it out? I think that's probably the best way to do it because October 2nd is quite some time from now.
Yes, I'll take the plea and pay the $240. But will that still assure me that I can be able to retrieve my license in October?
Yeah, this new offer is not going to abstract to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
It's going to, and I'm going to dismiss upon payment of $240.
Yes, and I'm able to pay that today.
There we go. Can you raise your right hand, please, ma'am? Other right.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Did you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. Ma'am, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I do.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about
No, no questions.
you understand by taking this offer, you're gonna give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to April 26, 2022 at around 3:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand River and Lake Graydale, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce, did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance for that vehicle?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do that, could you, ma'am?
No, sir.
Why is that?
The car was my mom's and she didn't have insurance on her car.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. I'm gonna fine her $240 for that. I told her I'd dismiss upon payment. And you said you can pay today. I'm gonna give you till next week to get that in here. Make sure it's here by July 5th, 2023. Before then, we're gonna have you set for review. Come back on July 5th in the morning. I'll tell you this, if it's paid, yeah, well, you don't have to come back, but if you want to see.
Is there, I'm sorry, go ahead. I'm sorry.
You want me to finish? Maybe it may
Yes.
answer your question. All right.
Yes, I'll ask after.
If it's paid, you don't have to come back, ma'am. But if it's not paid, I need to see you. You paid at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. And I'm told you can upload that DivDat app on your phone or come down to the courthouse in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And if you do that, it'll go through instantly. All right?
Okay. Mhm.
Does that answer your question, ma'am?
Yes, that answers my question.
Very well. If there's nothing further, good luck on that driver's license.
I'm sorry, I got a quick question.
Yeah.
The other two charges on the ticket, are they taken care of? 'Cause I actually haven't, no, I was subpoenaed to come back here on Thursday, the 29th for the expired date.
Yeah, I have a court date on the 29th too.
You have to come back on Thursday. Okay.
You don't have to come back either.
Okay.
We'll took all of it at one time.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Be safe out there. You have another one with us, don't you?
No,
yes, on the 29th.
No, I'm talking, you're done this,
Oh, okay, thank you so much.
Not on my
Free to
list.
leave, you don't have to come back, all right, on the 29th, we took care of that matter.
Okay, thank you again, Your Honor.
Have a great day, ma'am.
Not on my list.
All right, be safe. Have a good day, you too. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. London. Mr. London, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I just wanted to clarify the offer. We believe we want to take it if it's our understanding. So the U ticket would be amended to disorderly conduct, is that right?
Yes, that's the
Okay.
standard offer. I mean, it's really an issue of, it can't get any worse. It can only get better or stay the same for him. That type of deal. If he wants a trial date, I'll give him that. If he doesn't want the trial date, he wants to get it over with now, he can certainly do that as well.
Yep, that's what we want to do. And just to clarify, the no insurance, was that being dismissed as part of the deal?
That's part of the deal.
Yep, we want to take that. He wants to avail himself to that offer, Your Honor. We just want to clarify that's what it was.
That what you want to do, Mr. London?
Yes, sir.
You don't want to try your luck at trial?
No, I'd just rather get it all out the way.
Okay. All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now, you can put your hand down. I do not have I do have an actual ticket, as a matter of fact, I do. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine? I believe the one you're pleading to is a 90-day misdemeanor. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Miller went over to the other, strike that, Mr. Miller in the breakout room went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
Do you understand those? Do you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about them?
No.
You understand you're going to be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, I'm gonna draw your attention way back to, one moment. I'm gonna draw your attention back to June the 22nd, 2020, at around 8:35 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of, it doesn't give me an area on there. I have, is that Charas and Victoria?
I'm not really sure.
I can't read the writing of this, counselor. In the city of Detroit, on that date and time, did you have an encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And but did you offer money to this person out there for an act of sexual gratification, sir?
Yes.
All right, I'm satisfied. You satisfied, counselor?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct, $240. I'm gonna order him to do a misdemeanor morality class and take HIV STD testing, which the results will be private to him. I just need to make sure that he's tested. And then I'm gonna fine him $240. How long will it take you to do this, sir?
Once I figure out how. Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna refer it to probation, so that way they can get you the information that you need. If you need to get a testing site and get you the misdemeanor morality class. I'm gonna give you the number to probation as well. Whenever you're ready.
1 second. Let me get a pen.
I need your phone number from you, sir, please.
My phone number?
Yes.
586-935-2852.
852. All right. 313-965.
No, it's 586-935-2852.
2852, right?
Yeah.
935-285-2586. I'm gonna give you until July the 27th to complete this. Come back that morning. You have it done, we'll and paid, we'll close the matter out. The number to probation is 313-965-3414.
935
965-3414.
3414.
Yes.
You got it. Save it.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay.
All right. Rand?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
All right. Did you ever find out how to get that to us, ma'am?
Yeah, I just need to know. Every time I go in the chat, it put me back in the safe driving mode and I can't get back to the chat.
Are you driving?
No, I'm not driving.
She can screenshot it and text it to me.
Okay.
All right, I can do it.
Let's put you in a breakout room. Let's Brody.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. City of Detroit versus Kamar Holton Grant, case number SP 1415040, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1415041, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 755461. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Clay Miller, PA 6291, here on behalf of Mr. Grant. Mr. Grant, please state your name for the record.
Marlon Grant.
Let's also call 1730466421 into the record as well. Today is the date and time set for pretrial. Let's see what this other one is set for. Pretrials in the matter. I see Mr. Grant has a number of no proof of insurance tickets that he owes money on, all of which are owed, that he needs to pay. Before you can even think about getting the license, you're gonna have to pay those tickets. There's been time set for pretrial in the matter. I can give your client an opportunity to pay the tickets and get a license. He owes one. Looks like this one case was dismissed. SX 3619519 Looks like that case was dismissed. Officer did not appear on 1/6/2020. All right, so I'm gonna write that dismissed in there. All right, so it appears to be 2 insurance tickets, each $188. $288, I'm sorry. If he pays those, he can potentially get a valid driver's license. But let's just speak to your client in a breakout room, see what he wants to do.
Yes, sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
How do I? Okay, join.
Officer Durant.
Good morning.
Good morning. I have a 30-minute window for officers to check in. It appears I don't think you checked in on time.
No, so I did. I had 3 different courtroom appearances, so I checked in, and then I had to jump to another courtroom.
So you weren't here before 9:30?
Yes, sir. Yeah, so I checked in. They sent me to the breakout room. The prosecutor checked me in, and I had to go to a different courtroom.
Very well.
I have him marked on mine, Your Honor. I marked it before 9:30.
Oh, all right. Odom's never responded. That was next. Lemon is next.
And
is Lemon there?
Desmond?
Desmond Lemon?
Yes.
Is that Desmond Alexander Lemon?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Desmond Alexander Lemon, case number SB 142-18121, SB 142-18141. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Lemon.
Mr. Lemon, state your name for the record, please.
Desmond Lemon.
All right, Mr. Lemon, do you have valid registration and insurance, sir?
That wasn't my car, and I haven't been able to get in contact with the person.
Can you take your hood off, please, sir?
I'm sorry.
Okay, I guess that makes the offer. Do you have a car?
Do I have a car? No.
All right, I guess that makes the offer pleading to the amended count of improper plea, $240 fine, dismiss the other matter. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mrs. Soroki. If you want to take the deal, please read him his advice or rights.
I will, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. Did you get Ms. Griffith's information? Mrs.
I do, Your
Soroki,
Honor.
join-
Do you want to call that? Yes, I'm ready for that right now, Your Honor.
All right, let's get back on the record with Ms. Griffith. Ms. Griffith, she showed valid registration. Do you have valid insurance for Ms. Griffith?
Yes, Your Honor, I have insurance that expires on 8/7/2023.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further, Ms. Griffith. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, you can go in the breakout room now. I think Mr. Lemon is there. Have a great day, Ms. Griffith. All right, Everett, can you unmute yourself, please? Everett, can you unmute yourself, please? Mr. Soroki, Mr. Lemon is waiting on you.
Oh, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. What's your last name, sir?
Owens.
Owens? Good morning to you.
Yeah.
As soon as we get Ernie back in here, we'll call the case. Letting some other people in, it's not what it thought. Okay.
Do you want her about to?
Okay, on the Samsung SM device, what's your name, please?
Daniel.
You're on the Galaxy. Daniel who?
Oh. Daniel. I'm about to leave him.
Daniel Lally. Okay, Lally.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, before we're ready on Lemon.
No, Your Honor, he does not want me to speak with him. Perhaps the other counsel could speak to him.
All right, Everett Owens then.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Lemons. Where's Mr. Lemons?
I'm here.
What's the problem, sir?
Well, in the discussion with the person I just was introduced to, during the course of her trying to explain, I was actually asking questions and I was belittled and talked to like I was but I haven't been talked like that since I was in school. She told me things that weren't true. I was trying to get clarity on 3 things and she told me things that weren't true. Then she started
I don't understand how she can tell you things that weren't true.
Well, she told me that I don't
wait a minute. Let me speak, please. I let you speak. I'm trying to get on. I don't need you to put up signs and symbols, the okay sign, okay?
Okay.
I don't understand how she can tell you things that aren't true, and this is just a no insurance, no registration ticket.
Can I talk?
Yes.
She told me that I don't have a license. That's not true.
Okay, that wasn't a question whether you had a license or not. All I need is proof of insurance and registration, and I was going to dismiss the case.
She says I've been offered a deal, and I balked at it, and that wasn't true. I told her that the person's car that it was, I can get that from them, but I don't have it right now. And then she started yelling at me, and I said, "Pause. What's the problem?" It's just immediately when I said that I don't like the way you're talking to me. Now we're back right here, and I'm not trying to throw up symbols.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Desmond Alexander Lemon. Mr. Lemon, you just indicated to the court off the record that can you please stand still to make it help a lot better. You indicated to the court off the record that you can get valid registration and insurance from the individual's car that you were driving or allegedly driving on that day, correct?
Yes, I can, and I drive for a living, and this will affect my livelihood. Yes, I will definitely be able to do that.
Well, the offer won't affect your livelihood. The resolution today is an improper plea. I'll dismiss the ticket upon payment of $240 fine. That doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. It doesn't carry any points. But I'll also give you an opportunity to go bring the valid registration and insurance in from the car that you were allegedly driving and we'll dismiss the case. What would you like to do, sir?
I would like a chance to get in contact with that person and bring that to you.
Very well. I'm gonna give you a pretrial date. Bring it on August the 11th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. August the 11th, 2023, 8:30 a.m. All right?
8/11, 8:30 a.m.
8/11, 8:30 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right, let's move on. See, what's going on with Grant?
We're ready for that, Your Honor. Would you like me to proceed?
Let's go back on the record with Kamar Holton Grant. Go ahead, Counselor. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with your client. What would your client like to do?
Your Honor, he would like to set this out for a final pretrial date to give him enough time to make the payments on the no insurance tickets. He's in the process of getting his license back, and he's also working with Taylor to get some clearance. So essentially, he just needs a few weeks in order to get the payments to Detroit, and then he can basically handle everything then and move forward there.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Grant. You understand you got to pay these no proof of insurance at the very least. You're going to owe some other civil infractions that were owed. Those are going to still be owed, and I'm sure the court is going to come after their money, but the no proof of insurance are what is affecting your license. $288 a piece. I see two of them. I'm closing the SX 3619-5192 out. That appears to have been dismissed on 1/6/2020. I'm going to give you until August the 11th, 2023 to see what you can do about bringing a valid license in. All right, sir?
I have one question. The amount, I went through this before, and an amount that like the judge stated, and the amount at the window was completely different. That's what prevent me from getting my license before. So that's why I kind of went through the clean slate program to try to consolidate my tickets, however it was. And then that's how I ended up with Taylor. I didn't know about Taylor in 2017, which I already in process with them with a payment plan, however it is. But Detroit was my last one, so I will be able to get my license through that. It was just the amount that, you know what I'm saying, that I can handle or set up a payment plan with Detroit too, however it was, you know what I'm saying, to be able to be in my reach to receive my license.
I really don't understand.
Your Honor, if I may?
You may.
Okay, Mr. Grant, your judge told us you have some old civil infractions as well that the court is going to seek payment on. Okay, those are different from the no proof of insurance tickets that you're going to need. Those are the ones specifically holding up your license. Now, you're eventually going to need to pay these old civil infractions too. But according to what I believe is going on here, you need to get these no proof of insurance tickets paid off first in order to help with the license. And then the old civil infractions, you can enter into a payment plan with the court or something like that, but that shouldn't impact your license.
Okay. Yeah.
$288 is what you need to get clearances here at 36th District Court. You pay those $288, that's two of them, and then wait 48 to 72 hours. And if you've taken care of Taylor, our clearances will hit the system in 48 to 72 hours. And then either, then the other money they're going to come after you for. So you may as well set a payment plan up for that, or I'm going to allow, that's going to be you in the court's business.
Okay.
All right, but you're going to have to pay those 288s before you can get a license. Come back on August the 11th, 2023. All right.
Sure.
Your Honor, would the court consider waiving the interest on those tickets? Because
no, not now. Those tickets, he's got tickets back to 2017.
I understand, but I don't think it justifies the amount of interest the court, charges, but.
I
think it.
You know, I don't set interest or anything like that. What's this? This is, Mr. Kumar Grant. I'm not gonna do anything with it. It's, if I did that, everybody else has been paying the full 288. I think I'm extending him, a bigger courtesy and, allowing him and to, well, not unless allowing him to pay it, but he's gotten the information. I'm not gonna, waive it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right. Mr. Grant, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Could you tell me the total again? So you said about like 4? It was, or
Well, I see 288. The no proof of insurance, sir. No proof of insurance. Civil infractions are what you're gonna have to pay. I mean, you owe the court a lot more money than that.
I'm saying like for this situation, how much? What is the amount?
Go online and check it out yourself. They got all the information there.
All right. So would I just place this the ticket number that I received from the court through the mail, and then let's go ahead and do it like that?
Or just go to the court website, type your name in. They've updated everything and made it nice and fresh for you, so you can see how much you owe on every ticket.
Okay.
You search by your name, sir. You can put your name in, and then it'll give you a list of your tickets.
All right.
All right. Any more questions, sir?
No.
I mean, he acts as if he doesn't know what's going on, and he's got 3 pages of offenses over the years. So you know how this goes, Mr. Grant.
I actually don't. Like I said, I had went through this and got my license back. I just got into a conversation with a police officer about the type of car that I drove. He issued a ticket from, he issued it twice because he didn't like it. So that's what actually suspended my license after I got my license. So, you know.
All right, sir. Have a great day. Good luck to you.
All right, appreciate you.
All right.
All right.
All right. What's going on, Mr. Miller?
Something embarrassing.
You want me to just do it for you, man?
Please, Mr. Miller, really.
I don't know if Mr. Miller's doing a good job at the Hill Agency. He wants me to, yeah.
I'm trying.
He does a good job here, though.
I doubt that.
All right.
Sorry, Judge.
Mr. Everett Cortez Owens, are you there, sir?
Yeah.
This is your motion here?
It's a memo, Judge. That's all it is.
Very well. I would go. This is the City of Detroit versus Everett Cortez Owens, case number SP 142219 for counts 1, 2, and 3. 18-3954-931. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin on behalf of Mr. Owens.
Mr. Owens, can you state your name for the record, please?
Everett Owens.
Mr. Owens, do you have a valid driver's license?
No.
Why not?
They suspended. I haven't had a driver's license in years.
I understand that, sir. Why haven't you gone to get a license?
I just really haven't went for real. At first, I had a lot of ticket bit. Somebody was using my name when they cleared them tickets. We ended up catching them tickets, but I couldn't afford to get them, basically.
I don't know if Mr. Owens has any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but it it appears that all he needs to do is go get a license.
That one at the end of this right here, that's what I'm planning on doing.
You can go get one now before this.
I tried. I tried to go get a license before, and they told me to set a court date. When I had a
When
problem
did you
setting a
try to
court
go
date.
get a license?
That was like when I got my ID over in last July. Instead of getting an ID, I tried to get the license, and they wouldn't let me.
I'm setting aside the default in SB 14221943. Can we run Mr. Owens' license, please? Have you ever had a license before, sir?
Yes.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's look that up and see what's going on. Those officers for Miss Snyder here, you can go back in the breakout room and let those officers know for Lockhart. Then we're gonna dismiss them. He hasn't showed. That's what I'm saying. Who's on that Samsung device again? Samsung.
Daniel Lally.
That's loud.
Yes, sir.
That's loud. No. You're on.
Yes,
Oh, I thought you were on the Dan Galaxy. You had two devices then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what threw me on. All right. All right. Let's see what this license says for Mr. Owen.
To hear that we should be fighting. But they also hear
Who's Jerome?
That's me.
What's your last name, sir? You need to get up, sir.
Lenore.
All right, you need to turn your TV off, please, as well. Or mute yourself.
Oh, you need me to mute myself now, or?
Yeah, just because your TV was in the background.
Oh, I muted the TV already.
All right, very well. It looks like Mr. Edward Owens has been eligible for a license for the last 5 days. 6/22/2023. I set aside that default. You want to try to go get a license and come back, sir?
What do I have to do to get it?
Go to Secretary of State and ask.
Yeah, I tried. Yeah, I sure will.
All right. Can you come back on pretrial August 11th, 2023? That should give you more than enough time to get to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license. All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Light, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
You didn't fall asleep on me again, did you, Ms. Light?
No, I'm up.
All right, I need you to turn your camera on, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. I'm doing it now. I'm here.
Can you put some more clothes on, ma'am, for me, please?
Yep, I got you. It's cold anyway.
This is
all right. Why did we ask you to come back, Ms. Light?
Because I supposed to went to the Secretary of State and seen what was the holdup about my license.
And what's the holdup? Did you find out?
Yes, I would need like a couple more time because I had to go to Hazel Park this morning and I paid $800, but they told me I had to pay $1,000 or something. And I told them I ain't got the other $200 till Friday. That's why I also got in court late because I went up there the moment they woke up, the moment they opened up. So I did pay them $800 because they put a block on my name. So I owe them $236.
So is that what's holding your license up?
Yes, that's what's holding my license up. So I was gonna at least pay them after I'm done working this week by Friday. Go up there and pay them the $236.
And then you should get a license. They said specifically only Hazel Park is messing your license up, right?
Yes.
All right,
That's it. They said Hazel.
Let's
Because I
have you
came
back.
down there to get a clearance.
Let's have you back in 2 weeks.
Okay, that's awesome.
No, 2 weeks on July the 11th, 2023. Come back and we'll hopefully you'll have a license and we'll deal with these cases then.
Okay, and you said 8:30, right?
8:30, always.
Okay, I'll see you July 11th.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right,
You too.
this is the city of Detroit versus Michael Dion Gorey. Case numbers, hold on, let me see. Case number is SP 1212760, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1296929, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1316151, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1381390, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 145864111. SP 1458950, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1458952, and SP 9964561. Appearance for the record, please.
Clay Miller, PA 6291 here on behalf of Mr. Gorey. Michael Gorey, please state your name for the record.
Michael Dion Gorey.
All right, today is a date and time set for arraignment on some of the matters. Got warrants on some of the matters. As it relates to the arraignment, Counselor?
Your Honor, we would like to continue plea of not guilty and stand mute.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Really all document tickets, oh no, he's got the open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. The only offer for that, I call it a non-offer, is an open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That's the same thing as a 2-point offense, $240 fine, alcohol-related offense on your driving record. So that's the lowest the city will go on that. He's got a lot of driver license suspensions, a lot of no proof of insurance, a lot of expired plates. You also have an open case. You have to get in contact with Judge Bryant's courtroom. I can give you the number to that courtroom so you can call him. You have a warrant out for your arrest there as well.
Okay. I end up getting the insurance, the registration, and all of that for the vehicles. But I do need that other information. You can give it to me whenever.
Okay. The number to Judge Bryant's courtroom is going to be 313-965-2295.
313-965-2295.
And good luck with that. What do you mean you have valid registration and insurance? What about a valid driver's license?
Pardon?
You have a valid license, sir?
No, I don't have a valid license. It's I had got my license straight. Then COVID came. My mom had bought a car that the title was damaged, so she couldn't get it registered right offhand. We had to go back and find the owner that she bought the car from. We did that. Now the car is registered. Now we have insurance, everything on the car. All those tickets are from the same car, from the same vehicle. And I'm responsible for that. And just to know,
let me stop.
I was an invalid driver, but I was a safe driver. I didn't do anything. I wasn't speeding. I wasn't.
Sir, let me stop.
Okay.
One moment. You indicated I asked you about a driver's license, and then you went all on COVID, your mom, and not having the right title. What happened to the license?
Right. I'm trying to get that situated and get my license together now. That's why I'm.
And have you gone to the Secretary of State?
I've got a printout of my tickets. I got a printout of everything. It was just what was holding me up was the paperwork that I needed to show the court.
Not for any of these cases.
Registration and insurance.
No, that doesn't affect you. These aren't affecting your license.
Okay. What case was it affecting my license?
I don't know. You said you went to the Secretary of State and got a printout.
Yes, I had suspensions. I did.
You didn't ask enough questions at the Secretary of State, because you don't. It doesn't appear that any of this stuff here is affecting your license. We'll give you an opportunity to get the license, and then we'll give you an opportunity to show the valid registration and insurance when you come back.
Okay, so I have to go. I have to go to the Secretary of State and ask them what exactly my license is suspended for prior to the new tickets.
Yeah, you go to the Secretary of State. They should be able to tell you everything that's affecting your license, courthouses, court case numbers, and everything. I don't see anything here that is affecting your license. So you can potentially walk in there and get a valid license and come back out.
Oh wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna set up a date for the Secretary of State.
All right, I'm gonna set up a date for you to come back, August 11th, 2023 at 8:30. All right, see if you can get that valid license.
Okay. And as far as the new tickets that I have, is it the insurance and the registration? Do I need to hold on or get a copy of that from the car owner or bring that to the court?
Yes, the most evidence you can. You need to have valid registration and insurance when you come back as well.
Okay.
That'll put you in a better position. All right. Any more questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Good luck on that license. Come back August the 11th. Hopefully you have all those documents when you come back.
Okay. Yes.
All right. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Ms. Odoms, we've called your name many times, and you never responded.
Sorry, Judge, I didn't hear my name be called, but I did click on exactly around 8:45. So I've been on here since then, just kind of listening.
So you weren't listening good enough because we called your name plenty times, but here we go. This is the city of Detroit versus J. Tamar Iman Odoms. Case numbers SP 1350506 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1350517 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1355998 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Odom.
Ms. Odom, state your name for the record, please.
J. Tamar Iman Odoms.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time we enter a plea of not guilty. Ask the court to set the warrant aside.
Our license, please.
I just have one to see if something.
Run the license, please. All right, let's run the license and see what's going on with your license.
Okay.
And I wonder if there were any civil infractions because it is a, there's, it's a show cause that were defaulted.
I set the civil infractions aside.
Thank you.
I'm gonna check the license out. Mr. Jerome, can I get your, all the officers for Lolly, I'll write them down. And Little, Lolly and Little never showed, so, I'm strike that. Lockhart and Little. Let's write those officers' names down on the file. Lockhart. All right, for Lockhart, I got Wheeler. I checked you in. Latch checked in. Bennett checked in. Durant checked in. I thought I saw Peacock.
She called.
She called.
I have Peacock checked in, Nelson, McCree, Baxtresser, Bennett, Latch, Martinez. Yeah.
Everybody came in. I got Baxtresser, McCree, Nelson, Peacock, Durant, Bennett, Latch, Wheeler. Did I get all of them?
Do you both say Martinez?
I didn't think I saw Martinez. But,
yeah, Martinez is the last one, but everybody else is here.
Martinez is here, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning to you. And then for Little, I just have McCree, I have Jackson, Knapp, Sergeant Jackson, Courtroom McCree.
William Lockhart, Judge. I'll be right back.
And those are the only three that came in for, am I correct?
That's who I have as well, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to mark the file for each one of the officers. I appreciate your presence, and we will send a failure to appear bench warrant out for each of those defendants. Only thing I ask of you officers is to be safe out there and have a very good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is Corporal McCree. I know that was for Little. Demetrius Lockhart. Did we take care of him yet?
We checked it. He hasn't appeared either.
Okay.
But I checked it off for both of them.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right, you as well.
Martinez.
All right, very well. Good. All right, have a great day. Jerome, give me your last name again, please.
Lenore, Lenoir.
Kennedy is your middle name?
Kennedy, yes, sir.
All right, who are we ready on? Oh, let me see if I got the information for Odoms. Let's go back on the record. Odoms.
Yes.
Ms. Odoms.
Yes, I'm listening.
All right. Have you ever had a license before, ma'am?
Yes.
It appears that if you pay off this $36 for this no proof of insurance ticket, you paid $300 of it.
I did.
But what I will do, Ms. Zaroki, for Ms. Odoms, is I will waive the rest of the $36 off of that.
Thank
Very
you.
much appreciated, Judge.
She's paid $300. She doesn't come in here with just pages and pages of offenses and things like that. That's why I wasn't inclined to do it for the last person. And it was 6 years later. I'll waive. Go ahead.
As I say, is the interest double what the original fine was in this case? And you're saying $300 and some for no proof of insurance?
Yes, $336. I don't know how the interest goes on that.
It's usury. That, I mean, regardless of how it goes on, it's still usury. You know, when you're having the interest being as high as the original price.
Maybe you can take that to federal court and be heard on that.
It's ridiculous, but.
All right. I'm gonna wait for $36. That should put you in sin abstract to clerk. It should get you a valid license, ma'am.
Thank you. That's all I'm trying to do.
You need valid plates, registration, and then you're gonna have to deal with this 11 to 15 over. We'll talk about that when you come back on August the 11th, 2023. Wait 48 to 72 hours from the day and approach the Secretary of State and see if that works for you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
8:30, ma'am, is your next court date on August the 11th, 2023. You don't have any further questions. You have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
I did have another one, Judge.
What's your other question?
So I know that you just waived the one with the no proof of insurance, and then did you state that August 11th, we're going to talk about the other one?
You're going to talk about the 11 to 15 over, because I'm assuming you're going to bring in valid driver's license, registration, and insurance on August the 11th. And then you're still gonna have that speeding ticket to deal with.
Okay, that's what I was talking about. Okay, yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, man. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
All right. It's the City of Detroit versus Jerome Kennedy Lenore, case number SP 1407789, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1407793, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning,
Yes,
Your
sir,
Honor.
Jerome.
P86291. Here for Mr. Lenore. Jerome, please state your name for the record.
Jerome Kennedy Lenore.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have valid registration and insurance, Mr. Lenore?
Yes, sir.
Can I show me the documents, please?
Actually, I have the plate on the vehicle now, and the registration, everything's is in the truck.
Show me the registration card and insurance card, please.
I gotta get it off the truck. I'm
Very
sorry
well.
about
We'll
that.
pass the matter until you get that, all right?
All right.
Okay.
2 minutes. Give me like 2
Wheeler,
minutes. I'm out here now.
go ahead. Corporal Wheeler.
Oh.
Corporal Wheeler.
I got it, sir. When you're ready, take a look at it.
I'm ready. You are. Hold it up to the camera when you can.
That's the registration. If you can see that.
All right. Let me see that. Hold on. All right, I'm satisfied.
Yeah, this is the assurance. If you can see that.
Just hold it up a little bit more, please.
Like that.
And I'm satisfied. I'm going to dismiss the matters for providing valid documentation, sir.
All right, thank you.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right, let's go call the City of Detroit versus Daniel Crawford Lally, case number Z8084081. Appearance for the record, please. This is a review.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Lally.
Mr. Lally, can you state your name for the record, please?
Daniel Lally.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay.
Today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. He was sentenced on 3/27/2023. Pretty much probation. Did you complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving and the Victims Impact Panel, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do we have that in the file? Let's get probation down here for that. I see paid, you got a 0 balance. Let's get probation down here for Daniel Lally. Hold on, let's see what we have here. Okay, that's the order of running. Let's just get probation down here for Daniel Lally. He indicated that he has documentation. If that's true, we'll close the matter out.
Okay. All right, thank you. Oh.
Let's pass the matter momentarily.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Told Wheeler that he's good to go.
Yeah, judge stated that he said you were pretty.
Check, man.
Okay, you're good. Have a good day. Huh? She said she was a struggle.
think Mr. Daddy is the probation officer. He didn't send you anything from home.
I can see.
He didn't.
Yeah, I just called him. I didn't get no response. Plus I sent him an email too. I was just double checking. Appreciate it. Thank you. No answer. I sent the email out.
Mr. Lolly, do you have documentation showing that you completed the stuff?
I got it on my email, I believe.
Can you email it to me?
I sure can. I have your email address.
I'm gonna put it in the chat. Put it in the chat.
Okay.
You get it?
Yep.
Judge Parker's Oh, he is. Okay, I called you for this thing. So thank you so much. I'll let the judge know. Bye-bye. Mr. Sliat is my.
What should I? Gunner, can you hear me?
Yes.
Is it all capital letter or is it the
No,
lowercase letter?
that's why I sent it another way. I don't think it matters. But no, you can put it in all lowercase.
That be it because it should put a valid email in.
It's sent it back to you?
Yeah. No, it says send a valid email, but I changed it. I think I forgot that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that one came through. Oh.
Got the, Mothers Against Drunk Driving. Congratulations on that.
Okay, I'm trying to find the highway, the other. Did it earlier. I'm not tech savvy, so I am trying. So give me a minute.
You're doing well, so take your time.
And then this one up. The crime victim assessment.
Yes. Impact, what did it say on here?
Oh man, that's not it. Yeah, it is. I was at the receipt from one I had to pay twice. Sorry, you're wrong. Oh man, come on now.
Victims Impact Panel, alcohol, highway safety, alcohol, highway safety, level 1, and then you got me the Victims Impact Panel.
Okay, got to go back to my email. On here. Wrong phone, that's what I'm looking at. Easy. How do I send this to you? I got it. I think I got it in like a file or something. Ooh, that's not it. I'm really trying to do this. I know I got the thing right in my face, but I don't know how to send it to you.
Is it just a certificate? Because if you want to screenshot it, you can text it to me.
Yes, just a certificate.
Is that all right, Your Honor?
Same way you sent the other one.
Well, actually, I think I erased it off my email, the other one, but the one I'm looking at now, but I got it in like a file.
You should be able to, it should be a box with an arrow pointing up. You should be able to hit that box and you can either text it or email it. You have to tap on the screen a couple of times on that picture of what you're looking at.
I did that. I really
Here,
did.
go to
I
breakout
did.
room, Miss Soroki. She can probably help you.
Okay. Where was it?
I'm gonna send you the prompt right in 1 second. All right. Let's go back on the record with Daniel Crawford Lally. I did receive the certificate for Lally's attendance at the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Online Victim Impact Panel. Was waiting on the other documentation. Were you able to secure that, Mr. Lally?
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Lally did forward the certificate to me. If you want, I could email it to court, or I could just relay that he took the class on June 10th, 2023.
All right, can you email that to me? I'm gonna put that in his file as well.
Please.
I know that Mr. Maybe, I don't know whether Mr. Sciotti has got that or not, but nevertheless, I think that Mr. Lally has, I didn't check with, what about the testing, sir? Anything go wrong with the testing?
Oh, I was good on my testing. I never got any wrong answers.
Without having Mr. Sciotti's input, it's been 3 months now. We indicated that we would revisit this in 3 months.
Your Honor, if you can put your email in the chat, I can send this to you.
I see no reason why we can't close this out. He's paid his money, and I'm gonna close it out. Satisfied the conditions, sir. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Lally, and there's nothing further. You have a very good day.
One thing, you don't want to ask to see my license? I got that too, sir.
Oh, you have your license as well. Congratulations.
I'm so happy about it. Yes, sir. I got my license, and thanks to you, I appreciate it.
It takes some things like this that you know, some good comes out of some bad situations, and in this case, you know, it's you put it behind you, and 3 years or so, you can you don't get another one. You can ask for an expungement on it. I got mine.
3 years?
3 years.
Okay. Cool.
All right. So if there's nothing further, sir, I congratulate you. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You too, sir.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
All right.
You should have received that, or you should be getting it now.
All right. Have not received it yet. When I do, I'll put it in Mr. Wiley's file. All right, everyone. I think I just received it now.
Okay, great.
I don't know if we're gonna put it in there or not, because this is one of those